Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Nissan Rogue. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few key items: a 14mm wrench or socket, an oil drain pan, a new oil filter, and about 5 quarts of fresh engine oil. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface before you begin. Also, check your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity recommended for your specific model. With your vehicle safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using a 14mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug, install a new crush washer, and securely tighten it to about 25 foot-pounds. Next, move your drain pan to catch any residual oil from the filter. Locate the oil filter, often found near the passenger side wheel well, and remove it with an oil filter wrench. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Once removed, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine. Before installing your new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket for a proper seal. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, pour about 4 8/10 quarts of the recommended engine oil into the oil fill port. Replace the oil cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then turn it off. Check underneath for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Finally, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.